Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
All-Out Warfare supports up to 128 players on conquest maps, creating large-scale fights that reward map control and coordination. Choose a specialist and equip primary, secondary, gadget, grenade, and field upgrade to define your playstyle before deploy. Select Conquest, Breakthrough, or Hazard Zone to match objectives and team size. Each mode shifts pacing, spawn logic, and vehicle prevalence. Spend the pre-round time checking minimap, loadout, and squad assignment, so you spawn focused and prepared for the first engagement. Use Sprint, Mantle, Slide, and the grappling hook gadget to navigate quickly and stealthily across vertical terrain and rooftops. Engage with controlled bursts, aim for torso then head, and use cover to reset encounters, because recoil patterns favor short taps at mid-range. Vehicles handle infantry and armor differently. Use anti-vehicle weapons or ride choppers for mobility and to contest objectives. Always check turret blind spots, dismount before planting or reviving, and use smoke to obscure retreats or push through choke points. Capture and hold sectors in Conquest to drain the enemy ticket pool faster, focusing your squad on high-value caps and corridors. Use ping system and voice chat to mark enemies, objectives, and vehicle requests for teammates so everyone makes informed decisions and times pushes. When downed, crawl and deploy team revive. Respawn at squad or vehicle to rejoin faster and maintain momentum. Time your pushes around respawn waves, conserve tickets, and coordinate with engineers and pilots to secure long-term map dominance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.